How to enable approval to join Instagram group chat. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video, we will learn how we can enable approval to join Instagram group chat. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you're on your home page, now you have to head towards your DMs, that is your direct message. For that, tap on the chat icon at the top right corner. That's gonna take you to your group chat or the chat piece. Here you have to find out your group chat that you want to manage. So for example, I have this group right here. So once you're on the chat piece, navigate to the top section and from there, you have to tap on your group name. Once you land on this interface, search for an option as people and then tap on people. So once you're here, as you can see, there is a toggle at the top that says require approval to join. So to enable approval to join Instagram group chat, all you have to do is turn on this toggle right here. So once you have turned on this toggle, or when the approval to join is on, any new member invited to the group must be approved by an admin before joining the group. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.